Welcome to Slow English Lab, the channel that helps you understand and speak English with calm, clear, and natural confidence. Are you frustrated because you can read English but can't understand it when native speakers talk fast? Do you want to speak English fluently but get stuck in your head thinking about grammar? This video is for you. Today, you'll learn how to train your ears to catch fast, real English. Speak with natural rhythm and emotion. Shadow real-life expressions, slowly and clearly. Improve fluency without stress or pressure. These are practical, slow listening techniques you can use every day. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss our powerful lessons. Now let's train your brain, ears, and mouth, step by step. Tip 1. Start with what you know, then stretch. When you begin learning English, start with easy and familiar phrases. Listen to slow, clear speech. This gives your brain time to recognize sounds and meanings. Once you're comfortable, slowly stretch yourself by listening to slightly faster content. Shadow one sentence slowly, then again at normal speed. Progress in small steps. Mastery doesn't come from speed, it comes from understanding. Let's look at an example. Imagine you're watching a short English video. At first, it may sound too fast, but if you break it down and follow the tips here, listening first, repeating slowly, then shadowing at natural speed, your brain begins to understand naturally. Learning a new language isn't about memorizing rules, it's about training your ears and mouth to work together. Use this tip as a daily habit. Every time you do, you're building a stronger connection between your listening and speaking skills. Most learners jump to fast English too soon. Don't do that. Start with controlled, slow practice. Confidence and speed will come later. Trust the process. Tip 2. Listen first, then shadow. Before you speak, become a good listener. Don't rush to repeat every English phrase. First, listen deeply. Notice the tone, emotion, and where the speaker pauses. Then shadow the sentence. Match the speaker's voice, stress, and melody. Shadowing is more than repeating. It's copying the flow of real English. Try it with short sentences every day. Your ears and mouth will move together in fluency. Here's a powerful way to start. Take a short sentence like, "What do you mean?" Listen to it 3 times. Notice how the speaker says it, not just what they say. Then say it slowly. Finally, say it like the speaker. Same speed, same emotion. When you shadow this way, you improve both your pronunciation and understanding. You stop translating in your head and start feeling English in your mouth. Do this daily, even if it's just 2 minutes. It's not about how much, it's about how deeply you listen and copy. Tip 3. Use short chunks, not full sentences. Break down English into natural word groups called chunks. Instead of saying each word separately, group them naturally. I'm going to the store. Chunking mirrors native speech patterns. It helps your brain understand English in real time without translating. Practice repeating chunks until they feel natural. Soon you'll speak and think in chunks, improving both speed and comprehension. Let's practice. Don't say, "How are you doing today?" Say, "How are you doing today?" One smooth chunk. It's easier to say. It's easier to understand. Now shadow that sentence 5 times. Feel the rhythm. This is how native speakers talk. Not word by word, but idea by idea. When you listen for chunks instead of grammar, your brain understands faster. Build your English with sound blocks, not grammar charts. Tip 4. Train your mouth with echoes. Echoing is a powerful technique. Listen to a phrase, pause, then repeat it exactly, same tone, speed, and emotion. Pretend you're acting. Use your voice to copy feeling, not just words. Echoing trains your muscles and connects emotion to English. Practice basic emotions. Surprise, happiness, frustration. Say the same sentence in different ways. You'll sound more fluent and expressive. Let's try with this phrase. I didn't know that. Say it like you're shocked, then again like you're annoyed, then again like you're laughing. You're not just saying words, you're using your voice. This builds emotional fluency. It helps you sound alive in English, not robotic. Actors do this, comedians do this, you can too. Echoing is fun, simple, and super effective. Make it a part of your daily routine. Tip 5. Watch your favorite scene 10 times. Choose a short movie or TV clip you love, 10 to 20 seconds. Watch it 10 times. First, use subtitles. Understand every word. Then, turn them off. Listen deeply. Next, pause and repeat each line. Try saying it with the actor. This trains automatic understanding. One short scene, practiced deeply, teaches more than hours of passive watching. Why is this so powerful? Because it's not boring. It's real. It's emotional. And you already love it. Let's say you like a scene from Friends or a cartoon. Focus on just one short moment. Watch it again and again, not for fun but for fluency. Listen, shadow, echo, repeat. By the 10th time, your brain knows it deeply. You'll understand more, speak faster, and enjoy the process. Tip 6. Use the pause, repeat, shadow technique. Here's your 3-step formula to train fluency. 1. Pause the audio or video after one sentence. 2. Repeat it slowly, focusing on each sound. 3. Shadow it at full speed, copying rhythm and emotion. This method works because it builds layers. First, you understand. Then you speak with clarity. Then you speak with confidence. Do it every day with just 3 to 5 sentences. Focus on the quality, not the quantity. Let's take a sample phrase, I'll be there in a minute. Pause after hearing it. Repeat, I will be there in a minute. Now say it faster, I'll be there in a minute. This progression lets your brain build fluency naturally. Most people rush to copy full videos, but their brain can't keep up. With this 3-step method, you train deeply, and soon your speech becomes smooth, automatic, and expressive. Tip 7. Feel the rhythm, not the grammar. Fluent English isn't built from grammar rules, it's built from rhythm. When native speakers talk, they don't think subject, verb plus object. They speak in melody, stress, and flow. You need to listen for that music. Try saying, how's it going? Now tap your fingers to the beat. Can you hear the bounce? It's not just about words, it's about timing. To understand fast English, train your ears to catch the melody. Songs, poetry, and even jokes help you feel English instead of decoding it. When you focus on rhythm, your brain listens faster and responds naturally. Don't speak like a grammar book. Speak like a rhythm dancer. The grammar is still there, but now it's alive and flowing through sound. Tip 8. Talk to yourself in English. One of the best ways to train both listening and speaking is to talk to yourself. Yes, it may feel strange, but it works. When you talk aloud, your brain hears English. It gets used to forming thoughts and speaking them quickly. You're not just practicing speech, you're training your brain to think in English. Try this. What should I cook today? I feel a bit tired. Let's go for a walk. You can do this while brushing your teeth, walking to the bus, or folding laundry. Make English part of your world. Soon, your thoughts will flow naturally in English, and your mouth will follow without effort. No translation, no fear. Just easy expression. Tip 9. Slow it down on purpose. Many learners think they need to speak fast to sound fluent. But the truth is, fast English is not always good English. Clarity is better than speed. And slowing down helps your brain, your mouth, and your listeners. Practice this. I need some time. Pause, breathe, feel the sentence. Now say it again with emotion. I need some time. Calm, honest, clear. When you slow down, you gain confidence. You avoid mistakes. And guess what? The people around you also slow down. That gives you more time to listen, more time to think, and more time to respond. Train yourself to speak slowly, with confidence. Speed will come naturally, but clarity is the goal. Tip 10. Train every day, just 10 minutes. Fluency isn't about doing one big thing once. It's about doing small things every day. You don't need hours of study. You need 10 focused minutes. Here's your daily mission. Pick one sentence from a movie or podcast. Listen to it carefully. Repeat it slowly. Shadow it with emotion. Just 10 minutes. No excuses. Do it while walking, eating, resting, or waiting. Consistency beats intensity. One short practice session every day creates deep fluency over time. And remember, your fluency isn't a test, it's a habit. The more you do it, the easier it becomes. Final message, your fluency journey starts now. Understanding fast English and speaking naturally is not about being perfect. It's about being consistent, emotional, and connected to the sounds of the language. Don't worry if you make mistakes. Don't try to be fast right away. Start slow, feel the rhythm, shadow daily, speak with emotion. Use these 10 tips every day. Build habits. Let your mouth and ears become a team. Speak even when you feel unsure. Shadow even when you're tired. Repeat even when you already know the words. You are training your brain to become fluent, step by step, sentence by sentence. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up. Tell us in the comments, which tip will you use today? And don't forget to subscribe to Slow English Lab for more powerful lessons like this. Your English journey isn't just possible, it's already in motion. Let's keep going together.